How to use the email editor. In this video, you'll learn how to use the email editor. You will be able to write newsletters, campaign emails, and emails for automation rules. Creating a newsletter. Navigate to Emails. Select Newsletters. Click Create. In the pop-up window, fill in these fields. Subject. Sender name. Sender email address. Select an editor mode. A. How to use the visual editor. The visual editor is only for newsletters and campaigns. Select the visual editor. Choose a template. Click Save. In the visual editor you can access editor settings, drag and drop content elements, add layout elements, switch between desktop and mobile views. After editing your email, click Save Changes. Then click Exit. You will see a configuration page where you can edit the subject of your newsletter, add a preview line, optional, edit sender name and email address, add attachments to the newsletter, send the newsletter to contacts registered over a certain period. You can also send to contacts with a specific tag, exclude contacts with a specific tag, select personalization variables to add. Once your newsletter is ready, you can save and test, save and receive a test email, save and send immediately, save and schedule, save and send on a specific date. Note: to receive test emails, verify your sender email address first. You can also save draft, save without sending, create an A/B test for your newsletter, exit the editor. Note: the visual editor works for campaigns too. Automation rule emails use only the classic editor. B. How to use the classic email editor. Choose classic editor during newsletter creation. Click Save. In the classic editor, you have traditional editing tools. Write your email content easily. After composing, you can edit subject and preview line, optional, edit sender name and email address, add attachments to the newsletter, send based on registration date or tags. Once ready, you can save and test, get a test email, save and send immediately, save and schedule for later sending.